Hello again, it's Noob, and you may remember that I bought a big box of scan padlocks for a decent price on eBay. And this isn't a company that I knew much about, but seems to be sold in lots of different places, a lot of places which sells to the trade as well. And they're not particularly cheap. In this box I have copies of various models, and this model is the delightfully named SCAPLSS38LS. Yeah, could have come up with a better name than that. But this seems to be a stainless steel padlock with a long shackle. I guess that's what the LS bit means. And to their own rating, Scan have given this a 5 out of 10, whatever that means. Suitable for sheds, garages and gates. With a brass locking mechanism, is that something which is good? I'm not really sure. And a self-locking action, I mean, only if you push it down. Yeah, these are not particularly great padlocks. Here is one of them. I think it's a little 5-pinner. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, let's have a go at picking this. I think we might be able to get away with a rake. What do you reckon? So let's give that a go. Got a little triple peak here. And I'm just going to do some very light sort of raking and a little bouncing. And the first one is done. I don't even know if I've opened these ones. Oh, where are the keys? Where are the keys? There we go, got them. Okay, here's another one. And give that an open. I really don't think I've opened these ones yet, so give that a little go. Should we try single pin picking one of these? Seems to be the right thing to do. Oh, that's a bit tight. Shows a bit of quality control issues if a turner works in one but not another. Let's try a flat topped short hook on this one. Don't know what these are like. That is stupid. It just fell open. Okay. That was terrible. I've got to try that again. I don't want to like open it straight away. That's bad. That's really bad. Come on, third padlock. This one I clearly have opened before. That felt like a bypass. Bitting isn't bad, I guess, on this one, or shouldn't be. Right, we will actually single pin pick this one. We will somehow. All right, there we go. Flat topped short hook. Back through, back through, back through. Pin 1. Pin 4. There we go. Pin 5. Back to pin 1, and we're open. Oh, and I dropped my pick. In excitement. So yeah, I think that tells you everything you need to know about these locks. Hope you enjoyed the video at least. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. You can always hit that notification bell to be notified next when I upload content. If you have any comments about these locks, do you own one? Have you ever used one? I'd really like to know. Do leave a comment down below. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.